Now, exhale, slowly come down and stay here another 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up, same, left hand down and right hand over your head. Yes, twist your spine. Very good, excellent. Stay here, feel the stretching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time, inhale up. Now right hand back side, left hand all the way up. Look back, arch back. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Hug your knees and slowly twist your spine. Relax yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Inhale, right leg straight up. Exhale, fold your knees over your forehead. Good job. Inhale, up. Exhale, slowly fold your knees over your forehead. Inhale, up, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now right leg to the right side, left hand to the left side. Open your chest, open your shoulder. Very good. 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand over your head, grab your right ankle. Right palms down, come to compost pose. If you can, then right hand straight up. Excellent. 1, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Thangchen. Chukchen. Same, change your leg, left leg. Okay, good job. Come on, everybody. Inhale, raise your hands up. Slowly bend forward. Inhale, up. Now right hand down, left hand over your head. Yeah, good job, excellent. Inhale, raise your hands up. Left hand back side, right hand all the way up. Inhale, okay, exhale down, same. Inhale up, exhale, slowly come down and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Inhale up, exhale, right hand down, left hand over your head. Grab your right ankle. Just try to maintain the posture. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up. Same, right hand back side, so left hand back side, right hand all the way up. Yes, arch back. Excellent. Maintain. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now left leg, chenchai, hug. Yep. Slowly relax your thigh. Twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale. Left leg straight up. Thangchen. Exhale. Fold your knees over your forehead. Yeah. Inhale up. Exhale. Tutu. Yep. Inhale up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now left leg to the left side, right hand to the right side. Jay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand over your head. Grab your left ankle. And if possible, then left hand up. Very good, excellent. Just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Please, everybody, come to cat pose. Meow. Cat to cow breathing. Inhale, look up, chin up. Slowly up. Exhale, suck your stomach in. Inhale, up. Slowly look up, chin up. Exhale, suck your stomach in. Last 2 times. Inhale up. Exhale, suck your stomach in. The last one, inhale up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, suck your stomach in. Try to look your navel. Yes, good job. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Inhale, first left hand up and right leg. Tai Chi, Chen Phi. Exhale, knee to elbow or knee to nose. Slowly come down. Very good. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 2 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale up and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi back side. Tai Chi Chen Phi. Yeah. Left hand back side. Grab your right ankle and right leg straight up. Beautiful. Stay. 1. Good job. 2. And more. 3, 4, 5. Connect. Right leg back side and right hand all the way up. Arch back. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Nice. Same. Change your side, please. Doi tai doi chan. Change your hand. Inhale, left leg up, right hand up together. Exhale. Slowly sit down. Head down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Very good. Inhale up. Exhale down. The last one, inhale up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand back side. Grab your ankle. Yes, stay. Just relax yourself. Couple of breath. 1. Good job. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now same. Left leg back side. Right hand all the way up. Yeah. Good job. Relax yourself. Couple of breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back. Come to child pose. Relax.